in September this year, 2020, 2020,
yes.
There was another object found, and it was given the name 2020 SO by the Minor Planet Center. This is an organization actually in Cambridge, Massachusetts, that gives names to objects, astronomical objects found in the solar system. And they gave it that name 2020 SO because, it looked like an object in the solar system, and it moved in an orbit that is similar to the orbit of the Earth, but not the same exactly. And therefore, it was bound to the sun, but it also exhibited a deviation from what you expect based on gravity. So the astronomers that found it extrapolated back in time and found that in 1966, it intercepted the Earth. And then they went to the history books and they realized, there was a mission called Lunar Lander Surveyor 2 that had a rocket booster. It was a failed mission, but there was a rocket booster that was kicked into space. And presumably this is the rocket booster that we are seeing. Now, this rocket booster was sufficiently hollow and thin for us to recognize that it's pushed by sunlight. So here is my point. We can tell from the orbit of an object. Obviously, this object didn't have any cometary tail. It was artificially made. We know that it was made by us. And it did deviate from an orbit of a rock.
Yes.
So just by seeing something that doesn't have cometary tail and deviates from an orbit shaped by gravity, we can tell that it's artificial. In the case of Oumuamua, it couldn't have been sent by humans because it just passed near us for a few months. We know exactly what we were doing at that time. And also it was moving faster than any object that we can launch.
Yes.
And so obviously it came from outside the solar system. And the question is, who produced it? Now, I should say that, when I walk on vacation on a beach, I often see natural objects like seashells that are beautiful, and I look at them, and every now and then I stumble on a plastic bottle, and that was artificially produced. And my point is that maybe Oumuamua was a message in a bottle, and we should this is simply another window into searching for artifacts from other civilizations.